still sealed. I did not open it yet. I've been itching all day to open this since yesterday, okay? I got this phone in the mail yesterday and I waited purposely just to unbox it on camera with you guys. That is such like self-control, because child, if this was like a year ago or 2 years ago, I would unbox it already. But here we go. Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of my little YouTube family. And if you are subscribed, what's going on, shorty? How you doing? Anyways, today is Sunday and we are doing an unboxing of, can you guess, the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I dropped my phone and I cracked my lens. I went to Apple to try to repair it and they told me it would cost $699. So I was like, why do that? And I could just, the new phone was dropping that next week. So I was like, let me just get the new phone. So I ended up waiting a couple of weeks later, and then I finally bit the bullet and got the new phone. So we're about to unbox this baby, and we're also gonna unbox a couple accessories that I got with it, like a case. I got a screen protector. I got a few cases actually, but we're gonna unbox them all together. And as you can see, it's still sealed. I did not open it yet. I've been itching all day to open this since yesterday, okay? I got this phone in the mail yesterday and I waited purposely just to unbox it on camera with you guys. That is such like self-control, because child, if this was like a year ago or 2 years ago, I would unbox it already. But here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I got the black titanium in a 1 terabyte. This is a 1 terabyte phone because my last one, I needed more storage. So I was like, you know, why not upgrade for real? So this is how it comes. I'm gonna peel this off right now. Why not? Look how beautiful it is. She is gorgeous. And it comes with 1 wire and, you know, the pamphlets. But we're gonna set this aside for now. Let's turn her on. I'm so excited. Hello. All right, you guys should know how to set up the phone, right? Let me do this and then I'll come back. So as you've seen, I'm now about to set my phone up. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Can y'all see that? Like, I'll do all that after the fact. Should we have it medium or should we have it at large or default? I don't know. Let's try medium right now. I don't want to set it up for without. So now I'm gonna pair them. This is so exciting. Oh, let's get it ready. Super exciting. All right, so while this is activating, how about we unbox some of my accessories? What is a new phone without accessories? Like, you have to dress up your phone. So I ordered a few cases. They didn't all come yet, but I'm gonna show you the ones that I did get, and I got them on Amazon. So I love like the square. Oh my goodness. They ask for your social security number now when you activating your new phone? Wow. I just got the standard black square case. It is a silicone case, I believe, or I think it's a silicone case, but it's a basic black one, square. Very cute, very chic. I had one for my old phone, so I was like, why not get the new one? And then the next one that I got is this cute chocolate brown one. You know that I'm into neutral colors. If you didn't know, well, now you know. I love neutral colors, so all the cases that I got are all neutral, except for I believe one of them. But I love, love, love these colors. And this one is just a basic brown silicone case. Oh my goodness. I think it's almost done. That quick. That quick. I can't believe it. Let me finish setting this up because it's asking for my Face ID and things like that. We gotta get this. But my face is in the frame. Okay. So it's now setting up the new software. And I think after it's done, we're gonna be good to go. They make it so easy now. I love it. I love it. Anyway, so the brown one, y'all know I gotta clean up like as I go. Wow, I might return one of these because it doesn't make sense to have two brown cases. I didn't think they would be the same brown, but they kind of look like the same color, right? This one's a little lighter, but this one's darker. I guess I could keep both because sometimes I wear this color, sometimes I wear this one. But this is a square case, just like the black one, but this one is not shiny. It's more matte. But they're both cute. And we love, love, love. And then I got the privacy screen protectors. But let's pray that this is a privacy screen protector because people be all up in your phone when you're out and about. The reason why I brought them is because they came with the camera covers. I'm definitely putting those on my phone this time. Definitely. And yes, they are privacy screen protectors. We can't have what just happened to my old phone happen to this one. All the things will be on my phone to protect it this time. I mean, I had a screen protector. I always have a screen protector, but I never thought that I would drop my phone and crack my lens. Like, that's just crazy. It's updating with 17.0.3. And once that is done, we are good to go. A lot of these cases are just the cases that I had on my old phone, but just for the new phone, the 15. So how cute is this one? It's almost like aluminum foil or something. It's so aesthetic and it's so pretty. I'm into silver these days. A lot more, like gray, silver. I always like gray, but silver not so much. So this is a new color for me as far as for my phone cases. I usually get like a neon green or a forest green for my cases, because you know, like I try to get all the earth tones and neutral colors, but this is a new color for me. I have it in clothes and everything, but I have never had it in a case cover. So it's this cute like sage earthy green. It's gorgeous. It's simply gorgeous, and I cannot wait to wear it, to use it on my phone. So it's basically the same exact case to the brown, but in green. They feel like they are really good quality cases. I will link them all below. So if you want them, they come in a whole bunch of different colors, and I probably will be getting a blue one as well, like a baby, not baby blue, but like a powdery blue. Yeah. Which color should I pick? Brown, silver, black, coffee. Okay, let's say chocolate, silver, black, coffee, or green. Which one? I think I want to go with coffee. Let's just try it. Let's see what it looks like. I had this case, this color, in a different case, almost like this one, my last phone. Or we could go with chocolate. That's so pretty, right? I don't know, I'm confused. These are too many options, too many options, too many options. I love this phone. Like, it's so cute. I mean, it's almost just like the phone I had, but it seems like it's just a little better. The camera is definitely better. The camera, yes, the camera is definitely, yeah. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I think that's it for this unboxing. I'm gonna let my phone finish transferring all the data over, and my photos and my videos and my text messages, I think, are the last things to come through. Everything else is there. I'm gonna clean up this mess that I made. Again, I will definitely link all the accessories and cases and stuff that I did receive today in the description box below. And if you like this video, please like it, comment, and share. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love, 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 love to have you a part of my little YouTube family. And if you are subscribed, I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you all for watching. Bye.